The Chirichima, they went in the fall. Chima! Nobody there, that guy there. Ready for that guy. Not the other one, that guy. That guy named Tualangi. That guy named Tualangi. That guy named Tualangi. I want to that okay, from SABC 2, Mubango, Tebucho, Munize, otherwise known as Tebucho!
You guys know about so I'm going to five. I think it's 5. So ke le khatha jwang.
No, we put a photo and then and now we'll give them the mic and then we'll take it from there. Yeah. Hey, whenever we get somehow.
Ke batla ho tseba ka mosadi ono ba reng ke Teboho Mokoena. Originally o hlaha kae?
Lesotho. That's plagiarism. I need to remember. Thanks, Anna Martin. Somebody has what Tando. How would they win?
That one too easy. Okay, yeah, you know, too much. How to say? How to say? Teboho una le ngwana.
Yeah.
I get. Ntate wa ngwana Teboho.
Run to bang. Mama. Run to bang. Finna ma khurma. Da ni mama. Finna.
So mutaba kai ngena na.
Tikiti.
Uyakai jwalo nana. O go dupalama. Nna ka rutsa etsetsa mo tlase dilo tsa gago. O rata go dimo shem.
Okay. Ke batla ho tseba.
Di o ridekiwa shem.
Ba re ke bafu. Le tseba thongole mo ka bafu. Yeah. It's a bit wrong. Bafue o kile a nahana hore o na le ngwana le Sambodi.
Yeah.
Ke batla ho tseba hore na bafue o na nahana hore o na le ngwana le mang. Wena.
Nasundani.
Quickly, quickly. DJ, how do you fanya na wewe? Na bora bora. Come on, baby.
Can go in and them.
Okay, next question. Next question. Oh, yeah, the man. Hi, Ronaldo. Hey. I have another question for you guys. How do you come Muneno wa Meya?
Yeah.
Muneno wa Meya ra. O kile a batla a sala mosadi ya hae.
Yeah.
Why yana batla o mosadi?
Ke mina.
Bona motho wa
Namdiva Pinro.
ati ngoba ubenga baby. Ask the head. This one ask.
Good. So, I was thinking about. Ke batla o tseba hore na How many wives does the chief have?
Yes, guys.
Sundani Bere.
Thank you, DJ, thank you. Mtu asema ile ndio wale jina milingo ni bwana. Umetamzi tena yote. Hai, ndio tunamtapata wakati. Kuna tosala utapata bado tu. Okay. Ndivitaji. Dia mbele msimame za maramani. Yashwanganyi. Ngoma, yashwanganyi. Ngoma. Ukirote nani? Ngoma. Ufima ngoma. Bongo. Upinyi. Ngoma. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together to welcome Rotenda Maiwashe. Okay, next the one what I best at it. Oh, yeah. Atu mubona. DJ. Atu kupa kwa mkokoto.
Ati DJ. Difa memeza.
Ada nange gete mbato mfera. Oye muhuni na. Ngeza mahali. Mtanda wa